How to use. Requirements. Clean the skin with deep cleansing instruments such as small bubbles, skin shovel knife batter. Use the film stick to evenly wipe the surface of the numbing cream in the operation part after application with the clean film over the top, waiting for 30 to 45 minutes. Need to ask in advance whether the customer is allergic to numbing cream. More sensitive to the pain of the customer can be taken in advance oral painkillers to relieve pain. Sterilize the instrument screen and handle. With the film adjusting stick will cover the plastic wrap table hemp cream scraping. Operator with disposable medical gloves. Sterilize the operation site with gauze moistened with iodine, and then wipe the operation site with gauze moistened with saline. Select the operating head according to the size of the operation site and install the disposable operating head on the handle. Select the face, select the number of needles corresponding to the operating head, and enter the next interface. Select the appropriate operating head. Swipe the card to activate. The parameters can be adjusted. Time 0 to 60 minutes. RF energy adjustment recommended 100 to 118. Depth according to the operation parts and needs to choose. Regular mode. Base and neck operation can only be regular mode, no need to choose. The single shot mechanism. Step on the foot pedal once. The microneedle will fire one shot back and forth, releasing energy once. The dual shot mechanism. Step on the foot pedal once. The microneedle continuously launches 2 rounds, releasing energy twice, suitable for skilled operators and customers with more serious skin laxity. The number of rounds of single operation is displayed. M1 M5 for the parameter storage mode. Adjust the parameter point and click Store can be. Click Start. Starting from the chin, press the probe vertically against the skin. Step on the foot pedal, and then retract the needle from the skin after it is fired. Immediately following the operation of the next place, the operation of the site overlap 1/3, because the edge of the probe and the needle has a gap. To avoid there is a place did not operate to. Cover the whole operation area. Operation 1 to 2 times. Note: if bleeding slightly, use saline-soaked gauze to gently press can be. Manipulate the forehead area. Can focus on the need to improve the place of operation more than one time. Periocular and nasal operation. Choose 12P operation head. Lower eye area. Let the customer open the eyes and operate the lower eye area. Note: avoid eyeballs and eyebrows. Upper eyelid. Gently lift the eyebrows and operate along the upper eye socket. Nose manipulation. Apply restorative products such as restorative essence. After the operation on the right side, operate the left side with the same steps. Note: operation may appear after the redness, heat, pinprick sensation is normal. You can use the ice hammer or ice packs. After operation on the whole face, apply biofiber mask for 20 to 30 minutes. After the time is over, remove the mask. Clean your face with a gauze moistened with saline. Apply restorative products such as restorative essence. Treatment recommendation: contraindicated people. Abdominal operations: clean the operation area. Excessive hairs need to be shaved before operation. Use the film stick to evenly wipe the table hemp cream in the operation area. Wait 30 to 45 minutes. Use the film stick to scrape off the hemp cream covering the plastic wrap. Sterilize the operation site with gauze dipped in iodine, and then wipe the operation site with gauze dipped in saline. Select the operating head according to the size of the operation site and install the disposable operating head on the handle. Select the body. Select the number of needles corresponding to the operating head and enter the next interface. Time: 0 to 60 minutes. Energy: 200. The work of the operating head after stepping on the pedal once in each numerical value change. The difference lies in the number of times the energy is released. The probe will be vertically attached to the skin, foot pedal, such as the needle launch. Retracted from the skin can be. Note: avoid the ribs, pelvic bone, navel within 2 cm. Immediately following the operation of the next place, the operation site overlap 1/3. Can focus on the need to improve the place of operation one more times. Example: expectant lines. Apply restorative products such as restorative essence. Apply microneedle special products after operation, with a saline gauze to clean up. Apply repair essence and other repair products.